DeepSeek login problem, DeepSeek problem easy fix. Now if you want to fix the login problem on DeepSeek, for example, you've been trying to use the DeepSeek app, or maybe you're trying to use it on your browser, but you're not being able to log in. This could be due to a couple of reasons. First off, we want to start with our internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and make sure that it's not the issue with our internet. Second up, we want to make sure it's not the issue with the app as well. So if you're on iPhone, you can try to offload the app. On Android, you can try to clear the cache files, or on your browser also, you can choose to clear your cache files. Now on iPhone, simply go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and over here you can simply search for the DeepSeek application over here. And once you search for the DeepSeek app from here, make sure to offload the app like this by tapping on offload and re-update it from your app store. If you're still not being able to log in after all that, it could be due to incorrect credentials. So instead, if you have synced your account with either Google or Apple ID, you can choose to simply continue with your Google account, or you can simply choose to continue with your Apple ID. Now in case you happen to forget your password sometimes, you can tap on forgot password button, enter the email address where your DeepSeek account was associated with, then tap on send code. It will send a verification code to the email. Once you're verified, you'll be able to go ahead and then reset your password. If you're still not being able to log in, then it could be a temporary server issue. So in that time, you might want to wait a couple of minutes or sometimes hours before you try to log in again. But chances are, once you have followed all the steps that I have mentioned in this video, then you should be able to log in without any form or issue. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in our next video.